Preparation of amines. Amines can be prepared by this following method. The first method is reduction of nitro compound, ammonolysis of alkyl halide. That is second one. Third one is reduction of nitrides. Then fourth one is the reduction of amides. Fifth one is Gabriel thalamide synthesis, and sixth one is Hoffman bromamide degradation reaction. The first one, the preparation of amines from from nitro compound, that is the reduction of nitro compound. Look at this reaction. The nitro compounds are reduced to amines by passing the hydrogen gas in the presence of finely divided nickel, platinum or palladium, and also by reduction with the metal in the acidic medium. Whereas the nitroalkanes can be similarly reduced in the corresponding alkanamines. See here the nitro compounds, nitrobenzene react with this to form aniline, this amine, aromatic primary amine. Then the nitro compounds, this react with tin and HCl or iron plus HCl to give aniline. That is the primary amine. That is the reduction with iron scrap and hydrochloric acid is preferred. That is because of the iron chloride formed gets hydrolysis to release the hydrochloric acid during the reaction. So thus only the small amount of the hydrochloric acid is required to initiate the reactions. That's why here we are using the hydrochloric acid. Then second method, ammonolysis of alkyl halides. Then look this, already you learned, that is you read in haloalkanes and halorine, that the carbon halogen bonds in alkyl or benzyl halides can be easily cleaved. That is easily cleaved by the nucleophile. So an aryl or benzyl halides on the reaction with the ethanolic solution of the ammonia undergoes the nucleophilic substitution reaction. So this is the nucleophile substitution reaction in which the halogen atom is replaced by the amino group. This process of the cleavage, that is CX bond, this is the CX bond or by ammonia molecule. So this is called ammonolysis process. The reaction is carried out the sealed tube at 373 Kelvin temperature. The primary amine, the subtract, behave as the nucleophile and can further react with the alkyl halide to form the secondary, tertiary and the quaternary ammonium salt. Look at this reaction. The ammonia molecule, they have a lone pair of electron. This is act as a nucleophile. So this lone pair of electron to abstract this, and this will cleavage. This is carbon halogen bond cleavage to form the substituted ammonium salt. So RNH3X. Then further the formation of the primary, secondary, tertiary amine. Look at this. This is the primary amine. RNH2 is the primary amine. So addition of the alkyl halide to removal of one replacement of the hydrogen atom by ammonia molecule. So what happened? First one is primary amine. The second one is secondary amine R2NH. Then the third, again addition of the RX. Again you will get tertiary amine. That is R3N. Again addition of RX to get quaternary ammonium salt. Then the free amine can be obtained from the ammonium salt by treatment with the strong base. Look at this, the ammonium salt, substituted ammonium salt, treatment with strong base to form the primary amine. See, that ammonolysis has the disadvantage of yielding a mixture of primary, secondary and tertiary amine and also the quaternary ammonium salt. However, the primary amine is obtained as a major product by taking large excess of ammonia. So the order of reactivity halides with the generally the order reactivity of order like this. Ri is greater than, and that is alkyl iodide greater than, is alkyl bromide is greater than alkyl chloride. So this is the reactivity of the halides with amine. Then reduction of nitrile. Reduction of nitrile, that is, look this reaction. Nitriles on reduction with lithium aluminum hydrides, that is, are catalytic hydrogenation produced by the primary amine. So this reaction is used for the ascent of amine series, that is, for preparation of amine containing one carbon atom more than the starting amine. Look this, the nitriles in the presence of hydrogen and presence of nickel or palladium, whatever it is, then sodium amalgam H, then alcohol to form primary amine. This is the example reaction. Acetonitrile gives ethyl amine, that is the primary amine. Then reduction of amides, lithium aluminum, using of lithium aluminum hydride. The amides on reduction with lithium aluminum hydride yield of amines. See, this is the amide using of lithium aluminum hydride to form primary amine. This is general reaction. Example reaction is acetamide using of lithium aluminum hydride and water to form ethylamine. Then Gabriel phthalimide synthesis, the preparation of the primary amine. The Gabriel phthalimide synthesis usually is used for the preparation of primary amine. The phthalimide on treatment with ethanolic potassium hydroxide forms potassium salts of the thalamide. This is the potassium salt of the thalamide. Then which on heating with alkyl halide, which on heating with alkyl halide, the potassium that is the followed by the alkaline hydrolysis produces the corresponding primary amine. So the aromatic primary amines cannot be prepared by this method because of the aryl halides do not undergo the nucleophilic substitution with anion formed by the thalamide. So this is the reaction. Thalamide, this is thalamide in the presence of ethanolic KOH to form like this potassium salt. Again this formed the treatment with alkyl halide to form, that is ethyl halide, to form N alkyl thalamide. This N alkyl thalamide react with sodium hydroxide, aqueous solution of the sodium hydroxide to form the primary amine. Then Hoffman bromamide degradation reaction. Hoffman bromamide degradation reaction, that is Hoffman developed by a method for preparation of primary amine by treating an amide with bromine in aqueous or ethanolic solution of the sodium hydroxide. So in this degradation reaction, migration of an alkyl or and the aryl group takes place from carbonyl carbon of the amide to form the nitrogen atom. So the amine formed contains one carbon less than that present in the amide. So this is the reaction. The example reaction you can write like this: C2H5 or you can use CH3, whatever it is. Treatment with bromine, water, then 4 moles of sodium hydroxide solution to form ethylamine, sodium carbonate, sodium bromide and water molecule. So this is the preparation methods of the amine, primary amine. Then the physical properties of amines. The physical properties of amine: the lower aliphatic amines are gases with fishy odor. The primary amines with 3 or more carbon atoms are liquid. 3 or more carbon atoms are liquids. That is, and still higher ones are the solid. The higher ones are higher carbon atoms are solid. So the aniline and the other aryl amines are usually colorless but get colored on storage due to the atmospheric oxidation. Then lower aliphatic amines are soluble in water because they form hydrogen bonds with water molecule. Then the solubility decreases with increase in the molecular mass of the amines due to the increase in size of the hydrophobic alkyl part. Then the higher amines are usually essentially insoluble in water, that considering the electronegativity of the nitrogen atom amine and the oxygen atom in alcohol, that is nitrogen atom in amine, that is 3.0, and the oxygen atom, that is in alcohol, that is 3.5. So you can predict the pattern of the solubility of amines and alcohols in water, that is out of butane 1-ol and butane 1 amine, which is more soluble in water, and why? This is reason is the amines are soluble in organic solvent like alcohol, ether, and benzene. You may remember that the alcohol are more polar than the amines because of the stronger intermolecular hydrogen bonds than the amines. Then the primary amines and the secondary amines are engaged in the intermolecular association due to the hydrogen bond between the nitrogen of one and hydrogen of another molecule. Wait, I will draw the structure. See the hydrogen bond like this. R NH, then the intermolecular hydrogen bond like this. So this is the intermolecular hydrogen bonding the primary amine. Then the intermolecular, usually this intermolecular association is more in the primary amine than the secondary amine, as there are two hydrogen atoms available for hydrogen bond the formation in it. The tertiary amine do not have intermolecular association due to the absence of the hydrogen. Because of the tertiary amine there is no hydrogen atom. Then the order of the boiling point in the isomeric amine, usually primary in this primary amine is greater than secondary amine is greater than tertiary amine. Okay. Then the boiling points of the alcohols and alkanes of almost in the same molecular mass, usually that molar mass of the C4H9 NH2, this having molar masses same, that is 73. Then secondary amine, that is C2H5 twice NH, here also the same molecular mass, C2H5N NCH3 twice, this also having same molecular mass, but the boiling points are different. This having 350.8 Kelvin, this is 329.3 Kelvin, and this is 310.5 Kelvin. Then the chemical reaction we will discuss in the next class. Thank you.